dude. I'm excited. Selena, you're gonna freaking love this.
Yes, I love this.
It's pink ceramic. The whole case is pink.
All right, just got Richard Mille. You like it?
I love it.
Does it get 5 booms?
It does. This is
All right.
Boom, 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 boom.
TimePieceTrading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out TimePieceTrading.
TimePieceTrading.
Yes, sir.
What's going on, guys? Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you all. You know, we got another jam-packed vlog for you all this week. Everyone's picking up Christmas gifts and yeah, it's been crazy, and thank you guys for everything. Without y'all, this wouldn't be possible, and I hope you enjoy the vlog.
The black skelly. Come over here, Mom.
I have some more too.
I show my mom the picture of this watch. She's like, I don't really get it.
Well, in person, it's stunning.
Yeah. What's the difference between these two?
Nothing. It's just this is my personal, so you can see it's like beat up.
Yeah.
But I wanted to show you like a nicer look.
I like this one.
And that's also my little brother's personal piece, so the links are small, but I think it would fit your wrist.
Look at the inside of that.
Yeah. It's sparkly. Like the way it just like.
Yeah, the ceramic definitely reflects the light like crazy.
Yeah. Big difference in these two, though, huh?
But
Yeah,
this,
double
do I
the
see
price.
like red?
Right.
A reddish like ruby? No,
Right,
that's
there's
the
a-
red from the. No, that's
No,
the
there
red.
is like a colored stone in there. What is that?
I think it's this.
That's gold.
Oh,
Nah, like right in the middle of the gold. That little
Oh, there's rubies.
ruby.
Yes,
on
there is
the-
rubies
on the
then.
bridge,
Okay, I
yeah.
wasn't sure if it was your color from underneath.
No, there's rubies in the dial also.
That's my birthstone.
So, really?
Mm-hmm.
Another selling point, huh? Yeah, no, that's too hard.
That's my favorite, bro. Like for a daily, you know, like because from the side it's a steel
Is it
watch.
heavy?
Not really. Here, check it out. Oh, there's another one right there on the table.
Yeah, here. We could have them matching.
There you go.
Yeah.
Let me put it on for you. Flip your wrist for
Yeah.
me. So.
Yeah, we were on a cruise and he let me wear his Rolex. I'm like, oh, okay.
This
is
one?
what it feels like. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it was that one. Yeah.
This is such a beautiful watch.
It is a
honestly,
beautiful
yeah.
watch.
The dial is crazy.
Yeah, I'm in love with that watch.
It's
I
cool.
don't think I'll get rid of it ever. Cause when I got it,
These are
that
different.
was the watch that was my grail watch, you know. And then you get it, and then you always want something more. But like that was that first real.
But at least, bro, in the Day Date collection, you have one of the the
Yeah.
most badass Day Dates ever made. So
Here you go.
you never need to get another one. I'll show you a frosted too. Since
I want
we
to see the
have-
frosted
yeah.
too. I'm not picking it up today, but you got my word.
Yeah.
I'll do it this year.
And anyways, you were here, so it's good you see it.
Yeah, exactly.
So here's frosted, but this got the bezel, you know.
That's the nasty.
Whoa. So I saw gold. So like it when you flipped it, it looked like it was gold too. No.
So it's white gold,
Wow.
and they actually drilled the gold in a way where it shines like diamonds, but it's not
Stop
diamonds. So they call it
it.
frosted.
That's just nasty.
That's insane.
Yeah, here it's sapphires,
Yeah, I see it
rainbow
all.
set. Yeah,
This one go for what, like 400?
this one's 380
Yeah.
right now. But I mean, I told you the price without the rainbow bezel, it's like 199.
Yeah. And you don't have those ones, right?
I don't have that one right now. No.
Yeah. Yeah, like
Get it quick though.
that one, cause I like as sick as this watch is, and I love this watch. I do see it. Like
You see people wearing it?
I've seen it a few times, but I've yet to see somebody wear the frosted one without the rainbow.
Okay.
And that's why I saw it. I was kind of like maybe something different,
Yeah.
you know?
Look, I love both equally.
Yeah.
The dial's identical on both of them. I think the steel is just more wearable for you.
Yeah.
Because you already have a gold piece, you know? So that's why I was pushing the steel for you.
Yeah. Because the frosted is like really loud too.
It's a little loud, yeah.
Yeah.
But not in all lighting, you know? Like from some lighting, it's not gonna be a shiny. Some lighting, it goes crazy
Yeah,
flashy.
it literally looks like a bust down.
Yeah. So
Yeah, and then I could always get this one, and if I ever get bored with it, then go get the frosted one.
yeah.
Yeah. But no, I want this, and I'll definitely do it with you.
The people you see wearing the steel too, though, I'm sure it's like very high level people, no?
Yeah, of course. But you know, that's all we be around. You know,
Yeah.
you know our friends, right?
This is another cool one in the same price range. But
Aquanaut, right?
yeah, Aquanaut. And this is very popular with the orange. But I mean,
It's the Iman watch.
if I had to pick between one for the same price, I'm gonna go skeleton all day.
Yeah, for sure.
That's
This is an old man watch. I like
That's
it
with your
though.
McLaren.
Yeah, that would look crazy. With the McLaren.
You pulled out the orange on it.
Mom's selling it for me today.
Nah, I don't rock with this so much.
Yeah.
I do like Patek though. I like the regular like 5711s, and I like the what's the other one?
I could see you rocking like a Nautilus. for
Yeah,
sure.
the gold Nautilus is tough.
5712.
Yeah, this one I don't like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really like stuff that's like not on the solid.
You like
strap.
bracelet.
Yeah, I don't know why. Just a preference, I guess.
Yeah.
Sometimes though, I like.
You look younger today. I don't know why.
Oh, it's his hair back, I think.
Oh,
His dreads aren't down.
Yeah, I feel older. No, I'm just playing.
You're working too hard, bro.
No, just been traveling, and then we've been partying and all these things, and then
Yeah.
I have this last of the year videos that I have to finish, but
He's been working in his head a lot.
I got some crazy video coming
This
out
is
soon.
also very cool, bro. 1 of 10 in the world. White gold.
Damn.
Factory everything.
That's sexy.
This watch I could do for like 210,000. So it's in the same price range as the frosted Skelly,
Yeah.
you know. And this is the same exact price, same exact thing. 1 of 10 in the world also, but in rose gold.
Yeah, but this one's crazy somehow.
I guess you like the rose gold.
I like gold, but all the watches, like I need a good. That's why I want this one.
Yeah, this is the best daily to me.
Yeah.
Like Jack Doherty just got one too, and he's stopped wearing his Richards. Like he's in love with the AP, bro.
Yeah, you really can't beat this watch. Is it like hard to like set it, or is it just like
No,
a
super
normal
easy,
watch?
bro.
So this like, but this has to stay on a winder all the time, like with it, or
It's really easy to set here, but you got it.
I'm talking about like the movement and everything. Like the movement just keeps going. even if
It'll
it's not
keep
on a
going.
winder.
Like if it's not on a winder, it'll stop. But as soon as you put it back on your wrist, it'll start going again.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a very simple watch. It's just time. You know, there's no date. Also.
How much do you think this costs?
I thought he already said like 210. Or
No.
no?
I'm just curious on like what if somebody that doesn't know the watch think it might go for?
Well, he already. Or how much is
No,
it?
this one's not 210. But what does it look like? It's
That's what I'm trying to think. Yeah.
Oh, I say like maybe I would go higher, like 350.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's $100,000.
Shut the fuck up.
She's selling again.
That's crazy. Usually when I get this, bro, it's sold immediately.
I know,
Like,
I
I
know.
think this one we got today in the morning. He already sold it.
Yes. No, I get it with you.
Your number.
Yeah, I got you.
Cool.
I'll be here until the 20th, and then I'm going to Argentina. So before then, we'll do the deal.
Awesome. You let me know, bro.
Yeah, man. This one go for it. This one's crazy.
That one, let me tell you now. That's called Amethyst.
It's pretty.
So it's all factory.
Who just bought one of these? I just saw somebody get one of these.
The owner of Rubet just bought one from us.
Yeah.
I mean, like a couple months ago.
I thought I saw somebody pick up something like that.
So the Amethyst is gonna be exactly 200.
Yeah. Nah, I'm getting this one.
I'll show you also a picture real quick, bro, since you're here.
Yeah.
This is the new 39 millimeter open worked.
What's
With
this?
steel.
40.
This is 41.
Yeah. I don't know why it doesn't hit the same.
Because I'll
They're
tell you
silver,
why.
There's
silver and
more
silver.
going
It's not
on.
silver, but the color is the same.
Well, because this gold bridge inside,
Yeah.
it just makes it so beautiful.
It does.
That's right.
I agree.
The contrast is crazy,
That looks
bro.
empty now that you've seen that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this is the newer one, you know, but still we sell this way more often. It's way more popular.
Yeah, for sure.
You think she'll like this more?
For sure. That's a cool watch too. And honestly, with that, you can both wear it. The ladies, Richard, you can never wear it.
Yo, how's it going? Very good. Good to see you. Very good.
Yeah, he takes care of Toby, bro.
No, this one and new one.
Oh, you take
No,
care
it
of
doesn't
Toby?
matter.
Okay.
How much has he spent with you? You tell me.
Togi?
Yeah.
Dude, a very big sum so far. He bought 3
Really?
chasers recently.
Is it that big? 200,000 maybe max?
I bet in like the span of a month. Yeah.
That's my client. Or that's my referral. Dude, I'm excited. Oh my god. Dude. Selena. freaking love this. Or no?
Oh yes, I love it.
It's pink ceramic. The whole case is pink.
Is it a gym watch?
This is so cute.
This is not technically a gym watch, but you can wear it in the gym, so.
And there's this.
Just don't like hit it on machines and stuff, you know? This is really cool too. It's factory amethyst.
Oh my gosh, this is hard. Which one
And
do you
Nicki
like
Minaj
better?
wears that.
Oh, wear it. Let's see. I think we get the Richard.
Unacceptable.
This is one when I'm like, if I hit a fucking max win, I want to get back. This is one I want to eventually get back. It's
That's a
like-
sexy watch, bro. Like,
And I want
fuck with that
to,
watch
and I want to
heavy,
get
too.
the green face AP back one day too.
But you can do the rose, bro, and it's so much less if you don't care about the yellow gold. This is a sick watch, bro.
How much is this?
That's the new skeleton. It's 39 millimeter though.
The white ceramic is crazy. It's crazy.
That Richard Mille looks crazy on Selena.
Oh yeah, could I have help putting it on?
Yeah, come. And let's take off your AP first. One sec. And you lost a stone from your hair?
Yeah.
Damn, son, she lost one of the big stones, so we gotta fix it.
From AP?
From her ring, bro. The 2-stone ring?
Yeah, I go to the gym with this on and everything, and it just fell off. I don't understand.
Let me see your
So
wrist.
sick.
Don't wear that to the gym, so.
I didn't even fall off in the gym, it fell off so randomly.
Dude, this is crazy.
Perfect. Have you put on a Richard Mille ever? It's like
Yes.
it's kind of annoying, like this part.
Does it snap or anything?
No, it's magnetic, but I'm gonna make it tighter. It's still not, but insane. It actually looks crazy. Here, let me make it tighter proper. Flip.
Oh, he's being crazy.
Dude, this watch is crazy.
So it's a magnet. Look, this part's half of the magnet. This part's the next half. It's too tight now. Maybe. No. Is it tight?
It doesn't feel tight.
And then you push it in from here.
Oh, maybe this is tight.
Yeah, we can make it one bigger.
Pretty
It actually
crazy.
looks very
Yeah,
nice.
this is very beautiful.
Kind of insane.
When you see a guy with a Richard, it's like kind of becoming normal, you know, like
Yeah, I don't
for a
want to
rich
say
guy.
it's common, but it's...
But girls with
It's
Richard,
cool.
you never see, bro.
Yeah.
You have this already, right?
Yeah, I have that. Well, this will be my next one then. That's what I want. I love that. But I'm not gonna do it now.
I need this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that one back too. All right, just got Richard Mille.
Selena looks insane on this.
Yeah, that watch, exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, it looks
me too.
insane
It looks
on it.
better in person.
No,
Yeah.
it's pretty nuts, dude. It's actually like fucking crazy.
Yeah, no, it makes
Yes.
Selena just look like a rapper now. Like next level.
It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty crazy. Can I go back to your office?
Yeah. The Black Panther, you saw the Spider-Man last time.
It's not it, dude.
Give it back to, yo, just send it back to Heavy Hitter Acosta.
Little roll.
Yeah, we expanded. Hey guys, Steve pulled up. He got his girl her first Richard Mille.
Yeah, dude.
Crazy pink ceramic.
I was gonna buy myself, I probably would have got that white ceramic. I was gonna buy myself something crazy, but I decided not to do it.
You know, Steve's always taking care of everyone in his family before himself. That is
Crazy.
the craziest watch I've seen a lady wearing. I got my mom a Richard, bro, but it's half the price of this one, so it's crazy.
Yeah, this is...
Yeah.
It's insane. You like it?
I love it.
Does it get 5 booms?
It does. This is so
All right,
crazy.
all right, do the
That's
booms.
10.
No.
Do the booms. All right, then take it off.
You do the booms.
Boom, 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 boom.
All right, let's go.
What's up guys, hope you guys enjoyed this week's videos. Hope you're having an amazing Christmas, you and your loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next week.